Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Shopify store's name and website URL. So first of all, just come to this Shopify dashboard and first we will change the Shopify store name. Go to the settings option and you can see the option store details. Click on it. Then in the basic information, click on edit and here you can see the option store name and you can easily change the store name. Let's suppose I will change it, and you can also change the store industry as well, like you can choose any other industry, then click on this save. That's it, you can see our store name has been changed. Now move on to our next problem, how to change the domain name or you can say site URL on Shopify. So right now I am using this domain name or you can say site URL. So if you want to change this site URL, go to Shopify dashboard and then go to settings option and scroll down and you can see the option domains. Click on it. Now scroll down and you can see this option change to a new shopify.com domain. One important thing, you will get only one chance to change your Shopify domain, so just click on it and now enter the domain name which you required and you can see this I have changed it. Now you can see this domain is available, so tap on this add domain and now my domain name has been changed. Now so you can see this, it's changed, and that's pretty much it. That's how you can change your Shopify store name and website URL. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.